I'm just going to do a basic overview of Google Sites. This is obviously going to be something we're going to be learning a lot more about as we go through the year. So you just click on this little waffle here, go down and get where sites are. Yours will be probably positioned in a different place than mine. So I've built a few Google Sites, but let's start a new one right here. Uh, what I'm going to have you do is each one of you, and highlight this. Uh, each one of you are going to be creating your own Google site. And this is going to be unnamed. Let's see, this is going to be Dan, the name of my dog that I don't have anymore. Okay, so this is going to be Dan's site. And it's about learning this year. So I'm going to go over here, insert pages, themes over here. So you can change what your theme is. Let's see if I like vision. I like vision. That's kind of fun. Level, that one. So you can change these around. Aristotle. And you can always change your backdrop too. Like, so I want this one to be there. If I want this one, maybe go here. You can kind of mix it up a little bit. Not there. So see how you got it. So if I wanted vision and maybe I wanted green up there, but I can also change it here. I can change my font style. Okay. So anyway, that's the first thing. Themes. I'm going to go over here I'm going to insert, because this is what I want you guys to do. You have language arts. Actually, we're going to do it this way. That's how I've always done it. Reading, writing, math. But there's really only, let's see, and then 3 more. The next one I'm going to have you do is science, social studies, and then right here, skyward. Those are the things that you're going to highlight. Now, what I'm going to have you do after you've built these, you go to pages, you're going to add reading, done, writing, done, math, done, science, social studies, and skyward. So you've got all those. See how they show up here? Then you're going to go back to your home page, and then this is what you're going to do. You're going to double click on reading, and I'm going to select an image. Go to Google Images, reading. Okay. And I can pick anything here. This one works. Okay, and then I'm going to click on this link, and then look, reading. I'm going to apply that link. Then I'm going to click on here, select an image. Google image, this is for writing. And let's see, how about, well, I'm going to be typing, but I don't want the words in that. How about, yeah, this one works. Okay, writing. Then I'm going to click on this link again, and I'm going to click right here once on the line, and then this will come up. It'll go to all those. So I'm going to click writing and then apply. So you can see that's all it takes to do this. And then over here, you publish. But I've got to name it. So, because this is the first time. So I'm going to rename this. This is going to be Dan's website. Okay, I'm going to publish that. Okay, so now I'm going to go over here on this little caret and I'm going to view my published site. So this is what this looks like. See, it's right there, Dan. Learning this year. Now, because I put that link in here, here's my reading. And then throughout the year, what we'll do is each one of your pages is going to have a link to something that you've created so that you can save a lot of what you do this year and have it available to you in the future. Also, to show your family kind of what you've been up to, because that's a lot of work and you should be able to be proud of all that you've done.